Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ripleys Autos, those trade hints and tips. Today I've got a Citroen C1 in for a service. I'm just got the pollen filter to do, so I just thought I'd give you a quick show you how to do a pollen filter on one of these on a Citroen C1. Very nice and easy, and they're also the same as the 107 Peugeots. So obviously that is the pollen filter we're going to be fitting. That's your part number B0009775480. These are dead easy on these. To be fair, these are one of my favourite pollen filters to fit because they're so easy. If you just look under here, you'll just see that's the access panel there. So it's dead easy. And what I'm going to do is just going to pause. Yeah, so as I was saying, that is your access panel for your pollen filter. So you literally just pull these tabs here. It's just literally that top one there. And it literally just pulls out. And the bottom one, you squeeze it together like that, and it just drops it out. Nice and easy. Pull out your pollen filter. It's a bit of a mucky old dirty job. Get that one. I've noticed on this old one though, it's got the airflow there, but on the newer one it doesn't seem to have one, so I'm assuming it doesn't matter which way in it goes. And then obviously just slide it back in, like so. It says quite tricky one-handed. That's it in. And obviously just make sure it is right in. It doesn't quite feel like it's gone in. That's it. Obviously you need to make sure, I forgot to mention that you're doing this while the ignition is switched off. Just need to swap hands quickly. Make sure it's all clipped in. And that's it, as easy as that to change a pollen filter. Take that one out. What I always like to do as well, get the mat off, get rid of any stuff. Then once the pollen filter's done, last little test I like to do, that is, always make sure to start the vehicle up. Done 8,000 miles this one, and I just check the fan speeds are all working and there's no horrible noises. Sometimes you get leaves and that trapped in there and it makes horrible noise. Just check it goes through all the different settings. Put your aircon on, then just put recirculation, and that's it. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Hopefully it might help somebody. Many thanks Ripleys Autos. Please like and subscribe to the channel and all that nonsense we like to say. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.